So for my 2 seconds today, I was getting sick and tired of dragging these tri-stands around all the time and also having a job box or a cart. So what I did is I took an old tri-stand that was laying around and one of these carts that we have for on-site stuff, and I noticed that these have the connection point for all the tri-stands. So I figured out it was 1-inch pipe, and I took it off, used the bolts again, and I made some feet for this tri-stand I have right here. I've made this tri-stand here from the shop here with 1-inch pipe and just some 1/4-inch plate. I also, because it's a little bit smaller, you had to make sure it was secure. So I just put some self-tappers in here with some sealing flange and a rod. And I put it on here with a little bolt. I try to make sure it's not too long, or this pipe, if you have a longer piece, it'll actually touch this. So, like, just to prove that it actually works still. No movement, nothing. It's pretty tight there already. It's pretty much going the whole way. So, like, that works like that. And then at night, if you want to make sure it doesn't get stolen, you just attach it, open your box, it slides right in there, and this way there's nothing to steal. Alright guys, that's my 2 seconds.